This is part 2 of the Hobo Freight folding trailer. We are upgrading the axles already before we even have put it on the street. And they are 2,500?
2,200.
2,200 pound axles that we're upgrading to.
And springs.
And springs, yeah, obviously. And then we're going, are we going to weld it? We're going to weld it together?
Probably so, yeah.
Okay. So it won't be foldy after this. No more. So
It will no longer be foldy at some point in its life. That might be today.
okay. So we'll just kind of follow along with us. Oh, such a mess. Oh my God, that is everywhere. Oh, that's the end of the grease cap or whatever, grease tube. That one's now greasy because I touched it. Your nuts are already lubed up, Steve. Probably nothing else in there. Wow. Nice.
Yeah.
You might get some money back.
Get the clearance by continuing to fold it.
Oh, I see.
If we get through this without pinching a finger, I'm fucking impressed.
Okay. We worked it out. Fingered it out. Alright. Alright, so the plan I think is to do angle iron and sandwich the two frames together and yeah, strengthen it up. So let's see if we can make it work. And then move
Is that the only big clamp you have?
Yeah, I've got
Got one arm down, so you want me to go get it?
I think if we just
Took a
get
vitamin.
one
Like,
clamped in.
How do you have clamps?
This is the next largest size.
Well, you can clamp.
you can clamp on the inside. Yeah.
But I need
I know.
Yeah.
Where your
Don't pull
hand
out.
is, where your fingers are.
Yeah.
Clamp it that way.
Oh yeah, okay, yeah.
He's our
You guys and you
first-
smarty
He's our
pants.
special friend. It's
It's all bolted
it's all
together.
just, did it come in like a flat pack, like IKEA?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
This video.
Like most of John's videos, I've watched it.
Watched it. All I care about is the counts, guys. You don't have to watch
I'm
it.
just looking for the numbers. Mic check.
This is
Oh!
testing.
I know. I'm going to listen to that and go, God damn it.
Headphone warning.
It's really
He's
gonna-
gonna be reviewing this with his headphones on in the living room.
Exactly, yeah. And just like that, we're at the end of day 1 on this trailer build. We did skip away and take a long lunch. Went and ordered the upper metal because we're going to build an upper rack on this hopefully next weekend. Got the angle iron that we needed for welding this thing straight so it didn't fold anymore, as well as creating a nice pad for the new spring shackle mounts and for the new upgraded axle to weld to. So we've begun that, got one side just started to weld in, and tomorrow we'll kind of hopefully get it all together and this wheels on and see how it turns out. So, and like that, it is day 2. And here we are on day 2 of the weekend, back on the trailer build. Unfortunately, Steve wasn't able to make it today, so I don't know if we'll get the tires back on today. Probably not. But we will get a little bit more work done on it and put us in a better position for next weekend. And I wanted to show you a little bit of how far we've gotten so far. All right, so on the Harbor Freight trailer, it's all bolted together, and of course we're welding it together at this point, but working our way slowly through it. And this is the original leaf spring bracket that you bolt onto this, and we've removed that. And over here you can see we've removed it so that we can just weld in some 11 gauge, or I think it's 1/8 inch thick angle iron to stiffen this up. It obviously won't fold after this. And then from there we'll mount the spring, which, oh my goodness, is a ridiculous mess. Whatever this isn't going to be obviously the final destination of it, but it gives you an idea. Approximately clean flat surface to weld that to, get that all secured, and at that point we can just bolt the axle on and flip it over, put it on its wheels. So we'll get after it. All right, got it all welded in. I did stitch weld it to reduce the risk of warping the whole thing. And if Steve wants it looking pretty, he can grind it. But we'll probably, just paint over it and be good. It's going to be on the bottom side of the trailer anyway. So now on to the next side. Just making some plug weld holes at this point. Liberal amount of lubrication. All I'm doing here is making these 2 butt pieces perfectly straight. All right, so that's going to conclude it for this video, and next time we're back at it, probably next weekend, we'll be finishing up welding, and then yeah, and then putting the springs and spring perches, welding the spring perches on, and putting the axle on and slapping some wheels on it, flipping it over and putting it on the ground. So I'm looking forward to that part. Anyways, so subscribe, all that stupid YouTube stuff. Help a feller out, and we'll be good. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Fuck, I'm tired.